फिर से उठ चला। अरे ये कौन? उंगला छुपा के तू तनक फेर दी। कैडेट प्रोग्राम का पायलट लगता है। छोड़ो हमें क्या, हम तो चलेंगे। हाँ, कन्वेंशनल वाला पायलट कौन बना रहा है इनको? छोड़ो मुझे क्या, मुँह तो चॉकलेटी कलर है यार तेरे काबल लग। ये कैडेट प्रोग्राम में क्यों जाते हैं भाई बंदे? इनके पापा पे पक्की बात मोटा पैसा होगा। पता नहीं इन कन्वेंशनल वालों को पायलट क्यों बनने देते हैं। फाइनेंस का काम होगा इनका पक्की बात। इनके पापा की अप्रोच होगी एयरलाइन में। कैडेट पायलट के लिए सच में मोटा पैसा, कन्वेंशनल पायलट के लिए अप्रोच चाहिए।
Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is your Captain Chirag and today I'll tell you is cadet program better or conventional pathway better to become a pilot.
तो इस वीडियो में मैं डिस्कस करूंगा प्रोज एंड कॉन्स ऑफ चूजिंग कैडेट पायलट प्रोग्राम और कन्वेंशनल पार्ट टू बिकम अ कमर्शियल पायलट।
आइए देखते मजा आएगा।
बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जिन भी लोगों को नहीं पता है ये कैडेट पायलट प्रोग्राम और कन्वेंशनल पाथ क्या भला है, उनको मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ। सो बेसिकली अ कैडेट प्रोग्राम इज एन एयरलाइन पायलट प्रोग्राम in which you will be doing all your training like ground classes and flying training with the airline, and airline signs a bond with you that after you complete your training and get your CPL, they hire you in the company.
नहीं, मैं नहीं मानता।
So in short, your job is guaranteed in that airline. You need not face any kind of job interview or airline entrance exam after your training.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा।
Wait, जितना आसान लग रहा है उतना भी नहीं है। एंड फॉर सम ऑफ यू जिनको ये नहीं पता कि कन्वेंशनल पार्ट टू बिकम अ पायलट क्या होता है, उनके लिए आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड अ वीडियो, सो यू कैन वॉच दैट वन फर्स्ट, देन कम टू दिस वन। दिस वीडियो विल बी डिवाइडेड इन 5 चैप्टर्स। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद चैप्टर 1, कॉस्ट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग। यस, यू हर्ड इट राइट। आप में से कुछ लोगों के लिए कॉस्ट मे नॉट बी एन अफेक्टिंग फैक्टर, बट for some, it is the most important factor, so we'll start with it. Disclaimer. Right now in India, only Indigo's cadet pilot program is running, so we'll discuss about that only. So in cadet program, the airline ties up with a lot of flying training organization and the cost of each FTO varies geographically. So for example, if you choose any FTO in the US, it will cost you higher than any FTO in India. Here is a list coming up of all the FTOs of Indigo with their current costing. Please remember, these are the current cost of these FTOs. Prices may shoot up if you are watching this video a year later.
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
Taking minimum average also, any cadet FTO will cost you 1 crore definitely or maybe higher. So make sure you are prepared for this.
150 रुपया देगा।
And if you choose conventional path, the overall cost may be less depending on various other factors obviously. वो factors क्या हैं? Let's discuss. Okay, let's take an example that you are a student and you decide to do your flying training from India. The cost of your ground training will be anywhere between 2 to 3 lakh rupees. For flying, the average cost in India will be 50 to 55 lakh rupees, excluding your living expense, and time would range anywhere between 1.5 to 2 years or maybe more. If you get lucky enough to get your job just after your CPL, then the cost of type rating plus line training would be anywhere between 25 to 30 lakh rupees. Taking additional 5 lakhs of buffer, I'll tell you why, the cost sums up into 90 to 93 lakh rupees. So right now in 2025, you need to spend around 90 to 95 lakhs just to become a commercial pilot through conventional path. But if you choose the countries like US, Australia, Europe, New Zealand, your cost of training would be immensely high because the living expense of these countries is very, very high. So please research well before choosing any country for your flying training. Chapter 2, Eligibility and Selection Process. So, to become eligible for Indigo's cadet pilot program, these are the eligibility criteria. First, you must be between 18 to 32 years of age. Second, you must have physics, maths and English in your class 12th. Third, you must have a valid class 1 DGCA medical assessment before the program starts. And that's it for the eligibility. No college degree, no past experience, no DGC exams are required to be eligible for Indigo's Cadet Pilot program. Let's come to the selection process, which will be conducted in 3 stages. Stage 1, Written and Aptitude Assessment, also known as ADAPT. In the written examination, the questions will be of basic 10-12th level, and it will be from English, Maths, Science and Cognitive Thinking. And in the aptitude test, they'll test you on your ability to do multitasking and decision making. Once you clear this, you are now going to sit in stage 2, group discussion. In this, you will be given a topic to discuss or debate about, or it can be an activity also. Now, this is not a general debate competition. This is to assess your leadership qualities, your calmness, composure, and teamwork. If you pass through this, you will get a mail on your registered ID on the same day. It's time for stage 3, personal interview. As the name suggests, it will be a normal airline interview and they'll assess you on the basis of your knowledge and capability. I would just recommend you to stay confident and honest for this particular stage. Now, if you pass through all the 3 stages, then chill, relax, because आपका काम हो चुका है खत्म. Now you will be called for your LOI signing event, and that's it. You need not apply any brains from now because the airline will take care of you and your training.
अरे टेंशन नहीं लेने का, अपुन है ना.
In conventional path, there is no particular selection process, but the eligibility remains the same. Chapter 3, Flying Training. In Cadet Pilot program, as I've already told you, there is no hassle. You can choose any FTO of your choice, and if your question is which FTO is the best, then come here. DM me, I'll let you know. Just kidding. All the FTOs are good, obviously, then only the airline has tied up with them. If we talk about conventional path, do you remember I have taken 5 lakhs of buffer amount during conventional path training? Let me tell you why. There can be fee hikes during your training. Also, some flying schools can fail your check rides or somewhat reasons which can also cost you a lot. So make sure to keep this 5 lakh buffer amount in your mind if you are going to take conventional path for your training. Chapter 4, Your Job After Training. So, a cadet pilot has no stress in mind because he has already signed a bond with the airline. But time is not guaranteed, my friend. They'll hire you, it's guaranteed, but when, no one knows. Basically, it's not like you will be called next day after your type rating.
आइए पधारिए जी, आइए पधारिए जी, लंदन से आए, आइए पधारिए बड़े दिनों के बाद.
Because there will be already some backlog of previous cadet pilots sitting where the training done. So, the waiting period can be 3 months or 6 months. No one knows. But as we know, the airline has ordered a lot of planes, which means they'll be requiring a lot of pilots. So hope for the best that you will be hired. Cadet वालों का तो फिर भी हो जाएगा, but conventional वालों.
तेरा क्या होगा कालिया?
So if you want a job in an airline, तो आपको wait करना पड़ेगा until any airline vacancies come up. After any airline vacancy comes up, you apply for it, then you have to go through an airline entrance exam. And trust me, it won't be easy if you are not having proper knowledge.
चल बस, रुलाएगा क्या?
Once you pass through that, then you are going to sit in an airline interview. But don't worry, until any vacancy comes up, you can do something else. Matlab, you can also become a flight instructor, a chartered pilot, but yes, it will cost you some amount. Chapter 5, The Conclusion. कुछ भी conclude करने से पहले, I want you guys to know the advantages and disadvantages of both. Let's start with the advantages of cadet program. So, first and the biggest advantage is your job is guaranteed. Second, there is no mental stress during your training. Third, there will be no stress for your conversion slots or your typewriting slots, which a conventional guy would take. Fourth, you are sorted because you have no chances of getting scammed and no fee hikes are possible in cadet program. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of the program. First and foremost disadvantage is it is more costly and you will be spending crores during this program. Second disadvantage is you'll be signing a 5-year bond with the airline, which means you cannot apply in any other airline vacancies when it comes up, which a conventional guy could obviously do. Third, the waiting period after your training is not specified, so you have to keep waiting and you cannot do anything else. Fourth, the training period of a cadet program is slightly lengthy that of a conventional program. The minimum time is 2 years. Let's talk about conventional program and its advantages. Okay, so first and foremost advantage is less money is required during conventional training. Second, there is no airline foundation. You can choose any airline of your choice or any airline vacancy that comes up first, you can apply for it. The third advantage is the flexibility of becoming a chartered pilot or a flight instructor if no airline vacancies comes up soon. Advantages तो बहुत हो गए, अब disadvantages की बात करते हैं. Okay, so the first disadvantage is very obvious. You don't have your job in hand, so there can be a mental stress during your training. Second disadvantage is you can be suffering for your conversion slots or your typewriting slots, which a cadet pilot won't be suffering for. Third disadvantage is, which I have already told you, there can be fee hikes during your training and there are chances of you getting scammed. So, considering all that, my conclusion is choose whatever suits you the best. If money is not an issue, then surely go for the cadet program, and if you think you are capable enough to get a job through your own, then go for conventional. The verdict is there doesn't exist any kind of conclusion. That's it for the video, guys. I hope it provided a lot of insights. जो भी part तुम लोगों को पसंद आया हो, comment down that below, and yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more aviation content.
Hello.